Breaker 19, are you the winner of the Cobra 19 MINI Recreational CB Radio from last week's Review to You video? Let's find out. We're Review to You. We review the latest and greatest products, and when we're done, we give them away free to one lucky subscriber. We'll let you know at the end of this video how you can easily win this product. Last week for Fun Day Friday, we reviewed the Cobra 19 MINI Recreational CB Radio and gave it a solid 3.5 out of 5 stars. So, which lucky subscriber gets to take it home? And the winner of the Cobra 19 MINI Recreational CB Radio is Disabled Off-Grid Adventure. Congratulations, Disabled Off-Grid Adventure. We're going to get this packaged up and sent out to you ASAP. Hey, I know it sucks that you weren't a winner like Disabled Off-Grid Adventure, but maybe it's because you weren't subscribed to Review to You. So go ahead and subscribe to Review to You right now, and then turn on your post notifications so you can be one of the first to enter our product review and giveaways. We do them 3 times every single week. Make sure to click that link up on the right to see our current review and giveaways, and then hit that link on the left to subscribe if you haven't already. From Matt and Gary, we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye now.